Quick video today. Today we have a no spill oil funnel for GM and BMWs, and here's the part number of it. And if you want for different brands, there's different part numbers right here, as you can see, for all the models. And then here's the part number, and then there's some more accessories that you can buy depending on your needs, I guess. And some instructions, which is pretty clear. Just the funnel, you just screw it on and fill it. And here's a description. You thread it on, it's got an o-ring, and that's clear so you can see through it. And it's pretty much just the funnel. Really nice when you do a lot of oil changes. I guess it comes with probably warranty or instructions. Oh, here's more part numbers if you guys need. Applications, and you guys can pause it and probably find whichever you guys need. There you go. So I'll just get it out of here. It comes in a cardboard box here, and here it is. Hard plastic right here, and plastic right there for GM, O-ring right there. And pretty much what you're doing, if you do a lot of oil change, I do recommend having one of these. That way you don't make a mess. Basically, you just screw it on, and there you go. You can fill it as fast as you want, and none of it is gonna spill through the sides, like with other funnels. And that's basically it. Like I said, pretty quick video today. And here's the OEM oil funnel. And here's the part number right there. Thank you for watching.